Hello everyone, Wandering Gypsy Deb here. Welcome back to my channel. So last night I went to sleep in Juneau, Alaska and woke up in Skagway. I'm going to show you something outside of my balcony and then I'm going to take you along for a tour of Skagway. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we are. Oh wow, here comes another ship. Norwegian Cruise Line. Sorry about the wind noise. There's a Carnival ship, and I'm on the Ruby Princess. How beautiful is that? We are on the tender boat, making our way over to Skagway, and I cannot wait to see Skagway. I am so excited. This is my first time to Alaska, and my first time seeing any of these towns or cities. There's my ship, the Ruby Princess, and boy is it nice. I was like amazed at how nice it was for an older ship. And there goes another tender boat going back to the ship to pick up more passengers to go to Skagway. So here we are entering downtown Skagway. We had to take a tender boat to get here and then walk a little bit, but it is gorgeous here. So here we are at Jeff Smith's parlor, and this is where Soapy Smith hung out, who was a con man, a bad man, who took over Skagway during the winter of 1897 to 1898. He landed here with only a few Confederates, but through a combination of skill and gil, he soon controlled the underworld of more than 200 gamblers, swindlers, and thugs. His power seemed almost limitless until July 8th of 1898. On that fateful day, he and surveyor Frank Reed shot it out on one of the town's docks. Soapy was killed instantly. The building on the end is the Arctic Brotherhood Hall, perhaps the most photographed building in Alaska. In times past, it was a fraternal hall. The local chapter of the Brotherhood first met here in August of 1899. The building was called a prime example of Victorian rustic architecture. The bus coming up right now is called the Smart Bus. For $5, you can ride it all day long, or $3 one way. Okay, across the street there is the well-known Red Onion Saloon that has a provocative past. It was built in 1898 at the corner of 6th and State as a saloon, dance hall, and bordella. When it was moved here in 1914, the movers somehow installed it backwards, putting the rear of the structure on Broadway. The upstairs has changed a little since that time by turn-of-the-century working girls. The mannequins leering down from the second-story windows help preserve the old air. That Golden Peak building there is the Golden North Hotel, now home to several retail stores. It did operate during the gold rush, built by the Klondike Trading Company in 1898. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me out so much. I appreciate it. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.